In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix feature problems error on Revolut app. If you're getting this error where you're told some features may not work as usual, we are fixing it. Then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, if you are receiving this error, most likely it's because Revolut app has experienced an internal server error, and for that you need to wait for some few minutes before they can fix this. This usually goes away after some few minutes. However, even after some few minutes, if this problem persists, then you want to troubleshoot your app by going to settings on your phone and look for apps. Under apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, look for Revolut, and here it is. Tap on it to open. Now this will take you to Revolut app info page. From here, go to for stop app and OK. Then go to clear data and clear cache, OK, and finally clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you open your Revolut app, everything should be up and running without any issue. However, if you still can't, then check and then see if you have any VPN app installed on your smartphone. You will need to uninstall it to see if this fixes your problem. But at the end, if you still can't, then go to Google Play Store or App Store and find out if we have any update for your app. So I'll just search for my app first, and in case you see there is an update, go ahead and update your app to the latest version. So that's how you can fix any of these issues on your phone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.